Hey, welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. You'll see in another video where we are working on the fence around the garden. I got these fan blades I've been messing with. Let me show you what I've been doing. As I mentioned in the fence video, I got these old fan blades out of a warehouse in town that's just full of stuff for years and years. And I had a thought of taking them, there's a smaller one, and I will mount these. Let me get one of them that I've been painting on. Okay, so here's another one. I don't know where you can tell more about it. Anyhow, it's red, orange, and yellow. And it stays pretty windy up here on the hill where we live. So I have got this black tubing that we had around here from something, and I've got a 1/4-inch T on top of it with just a 3-inch 1/4-inch nipple. And let me get this out. So now I got the fan going, and you get an idea of what these are going to do in the wind. So like I said, I use these 1/4-inch nipples with 1/4-inch T's to drop in that pipe. Depending on which one I'm working with, this is a sleeve for a gutter nail. It's used in a larger fan. And old fan blades like this, probably not going to be the easiest thing to find, but if you run across them, hang on to them. You might find fan blades and old air conditioners, central air conditioners, ice machines that you could do this with. But anyhow, what I'll do is I will drill a hole in the post, fence post around the garden. And I think I've got 4 or 5 of these, 5 I think. And I'll put each one of these on top of a post. And that should be pretty cool around the garden. I've got 2 more out there I got to go get that I had up temporarily to work on. And now that I've got some more material, I'm going to bring them in and redo them and see how far I can get. Let me show you this real quick. You can see where rain is falling from there to there. Not a big band. Actually might be falling apart by now, but I believe it's coming this way. You can see it on the hillside over there. And about to start hitting the roof any minute. You'll hear that. Come on in, Ellie Mae. Got my hat, got my drill, got my fan. I think I might change the color on the red one to something different. The red and orange are just too close when this thing starts spinning. But let's go mount it on a fence post and see if we got enough breeze today to turn it. There's the first one. Come on, wind, don't give up now. That moves pretty freely. Alright, I think I'll leave the colors alone on this one. It is really kicking. There's my other one on the ground over there. They're going to pick up, take back up to the shop. Hopefully when I get done, I'll have one on the top of each post. I don't have enough for all the posts, but yeah, they're pretty cool.